Okay, this problem about the Bermuda Triangle is actually fairly straightforward if you recognize what's going on here. They've got the sketch all done for you. Do you remember that mid-segments, there's a theorem that goes with mid-segments that I'm going to color out for you to make it a little bit more obvious. So, for example, this red line right here is the mid-segment, and the relationship between the mid-segment and the base of the triangle is that the mid-segment is exactly half, okay? So this length, this red line, is going to be half of 1,038, okay? So if you're looking at this 1,042 from Bermuda to Miami, that means this distance is exactly half of this, okay? And then we've got one more, this 965 miles from Bermuda to San Juan. Okay, so that means this mid-segment is exactly half that. So it ends up being a pretty easy problem if you remember all of those facts. You're just going to have to, obviously to find the perimeter of this little triangle here, you're going to have to cut all of those in half and add them together. How does that mid-segment triangle compare to the perimeter of the Bermuda Triangle? Well, people, it's half, of course. Because if you add all these together and then you add all these together, you're going to recognize that it's exactly half. So hopefully you remembered the mid-segment triangle theory.